Hello, everybody. This is Sasha Monique Talks. Hello, my friends. My friends, I have a Dollar Tree haul. Y'all, I'm trying to save money this year. And so y'all already know I'm cheap, but I started to go back to Dollar Tree. And I'm going to continue throughout the year. I'm going to go to Dollar Tree and my regular dollar store. So let me begin. So I have the Ultra Bright. I was looking for this. I thought Dollar Tree no longer carried it because the Dollar Tree in my area, they just have another brand. They don't even carry this. So I went out of town. This is 1, 2, 3. So that's a good deal. I got some AA batteries. I should have got the AAA too. $1.25. Now I almost got tricked into buying the one for $5. I had to really look at it and I said, oh, okay. They have those on the other side where you can see, so you don't pick these up. Yeah, I got these. And I use them for my remotes and stuff like that. I have the 2-pack of the microfiber scrubbers to do my dishes. I have the Ajax dish detergent. I brought the Oxidol dish detergent in the yellow. I brought the Pinolin Lemon Lift multi-purpose cleaner. You see how this smells, because I usually get the pine one. It smells pretty good. Pretty good. And this is, how many ounces? Well, first it says Scent Boost Technology, Deep Cleans, Tough on Grease, Deodorizes Surfaces, Long-Lasting Scent. And this is the 28 fluid ounces. That's good for $1.25. I got the Softy Bergamot Hair Grease. Y'all know I've been buying this for a while, and I'm sure some of y'all have been buying it too. And it still had a regular smell. This is good. You know, these used to be a little bigger than this. Everything is shrinking. I have another dish soap. This is the Oxidol in the blue dish soap or dish detergent. Let's see how this thing smells. I don't have no real great scent. It's just regular. But as long as it cleans those dishes, y'all, it's good for me. And the size is the 30 fluid ounces. Okay, what I have here. I have the Pro Silk Salon Essential Oil Infused Moisturizing Conditioner. This is the shea butter and coconut oil. So I have brought the big one. This is a nice size. I think it was a little bigger, but this is still a good size for $1.25. So let me see how it smells. It smells good, but it has that watered down smell. You know what they doing these days. They watering stuff down. I have the Wizard Double Action 2-in-1 Odor Eliminator. Fights tough odors. And it's an air freshener fragrance aerosol. This is 12 ounces. It's a nice size. This is for my bathroom. Let me spray what this thing smells like. It smells good. It's not real strong, but I wish it would be. But it's a pleasant smell. It is. Yeah, so $125 is not bad. I'm getting down, y'all. So what else did I get? I got the Power Stick Shower Gel Santal Woods with notes of sandalwood, violet, and cedarwood. 16 ounces. Now this smells real good. Ooh, that smells so good. I will be buying this again. I will buy it again. I have to test it out, see whether it dries out my skin or whatever, but it smells good. Next one I have the Pro Silk Body Wash, Hydrating Body Wash, Lavender and Chamomile. Oh, shoot. I'm allergic to chamomile. Yeah, I'm allergic to that. Yep. I have to use this for the toilet, honey, because I'm not throwing it out. See how it smells. Really had no smell to it much. Cute little bottle, but it's a nice amount in here. 24 ounces with aloe vera, and it's okay. As long as it cleans me, I am good with it. I have the Personal Care Body Wash Limited Edition Jelly Beans. It's 15 fluid ounces. Isn't that cute? I like the colors of the jelly beans in there. That's nice. So let's see what this thing is smelling like. It smells like bubble gum. It's like bubble gum, so that's okay. Guess I'll smell like bubble gum till the smell wears off, you know. Okay, I got 3 things left. I got the Yves St. Clair Bath Essentials Jasmine Dragon Fruit Scented Moisturizing Body Wash. Deep cleaning formula. Leaves skin softer and smoother. 20 ounces. Smells good, but it's very light. Yeah, it's very light. Kind of like bubble gum too. But it's very light. But that's a good buy when you're buying body washes that cost $5 or more. Here's the Yves St. Clair Bath Essentials Japanese Cherry Blossom Bubble Bath with Vitamin E. 22 ounces. Let's see what this smells like. Powdery bubble gum. Light scent. Everything is smelling just the same. So my last item is Yves St. Clair Bath Essentials Moroccan Rose Scented Moisturizing Bubble Bath. This is the 32 fluid ounces. These look the same size, but this one is, oh, I looked at it wrong. They're both 32 inches. Well, my eyes are playing tricks on me. I said 22. Yeah, they both 32 fluid ounces. Let's see what this one smells like. Oh, I like this one. Ooh, this is my favorite. Now, you know, ladies, we're not supposed to really do the bubble baths like in the tub, but these I'm going to use in the shower because the bubble bath is not good for the vaginal area. So I will be using this in the shower. This one smells the best almost out of all of them. That smells so pretty. Okay, so that is it for my Dollar Tree haul. There will definitely be more coming. I'm shopping out of the area so I can get things that's a little different. And so these items will last me a good while, and I'll just have to add like maybe a few things, maybe the dish detergent, stuff like that. But this body wash and stuff is going to last me for some months. So it's such a good deal. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Can you please thumbs up this video? Can you please share? Please comment. Okay? I thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye now.